In this video, we will learn how to convert image to PDF. So let's start. So here in my folder have a one image. So you can see this is an image JPG file. So I just double click on it and I show you this image. So you can see. So this image I'm going to convert in PDF. Okay, I just close this image and just right click on this image and click on the print. When you click on the print, you can see the print picture dialog box is open. Here you can convert this image in PDF. Just select the Microsoft print to PDF. The image will convert it in PDF. And here the second option, the paper size. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the paper size those you want. So I select the one. Okay, then here you can see some image size also mentioned. So here full page photo if you want, and here the one default size is mentioned, so you can set those you want. I select this second one, and here the copies each picture. So one is default mentioned. If you want to edit, you can edit the manually here. And the second, you will just click on this arrow and you can change the image pictures those you want. Okay, copies those you want. So after that, fit picture to the frame, just deselect it. You can see the changes on over here. So I select the fit picture to frame and just click on the print. So you can see the save as a file tab, the PDF is showing. So here I'm going to save these pictures in downloads. So as name girl pic. Okay, and click on the save and wait for the few seconds. That's it. You can see in download folder the picture is saved in PDF. See, the image is saved in PDF. So this is a way you can easily save the image. You can easily convert the image in PDF. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.